How to change birthday on Snapchat after limit. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change your birthday on Snapchat after limit. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your Snapchat application and open up your profile section. So now what you can do is tap on that gear icon and tap on that birthday. Once you do that, here as you can see, you can only change birthday for a limited number of times. So once you have reached the limit, you cannot change your birthday on Snapchat. So now I'll teach you how you can change your birthday on Snapchat after the limit. So what you can do is go back and then tap on I need a help from the support section. Once you click on that, you'll be appear with this type of screen interface. Now what you're gonna do is simply tap on contact us. Now here you can submit a request, scroll down and then tap on I need a help with a Snapchat feature, and then again scroll down and then tap on profiles and communities, and then again scroll down and here you can see still need a help, tap on yes, and then you can submit a request here. Simply write down your username, email address and write down the description. Once you have done that, in the description section you can write about changing your birthday. You will have to show your copy of your driver license or your citizenship. Once they have got that, or once you have sent them that, they will let you change your birthday after a few days of submission. So that is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.